Welcome back to 13 News this morning. We're making cashew chicken with edamame with Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. Thank you for being here. All right, it's smelling amazing. What do you got for us?
Well, we're talking about getting kids back to school
Yep.
and helping parents with some easy dishes.
Sure.
Now, this looks like a lot of ingredients, but as far as cooking it, it only just takes a few minutes. So what I would suggest is like the night before, pre-prep all these vegetables, cut them up,
Yeah.
just like I have, put them in your refrigerator, and then the next night when you're ready to cook, everything's ready, and it takes just a few minutes
that's a
to
good
cook
idea.
It smells
it.
so good.
Doesn't it?
I've already cooked the chicken. This is like 1 pound of boneless chicken.
Okay.
Cut it into like 1-inch cubes so it's bite
Oh, yeah.
size. Put it in a Ziploc bag with some salt and pepper and some cornstarch.
Yum.
And then shake it so that coats it and helps it to brown. And so we've already cooked the chicken. So now we're going to add our vegetables. You
Okay.
want to add the broccoli florets.
Okay.
You have celery, and we'll just keep adding those. You hear that sizzle? Oh,
I'm a little
good.
scared of
Yeah,
it.
look at that.
Good thing you got your good aprons on
Yes,
this
we
morning.
do, and we
have our
match the
Soybean Commission
vegetables.
aprons.
Now you're going to add the red bell pepper,
Okay.
and you've got edamame, you've got carrots. Look how colorful that is.
Oh, yeah,
Isn't that pretty?
that is. Are we adding this too?
We
right
are.
Now?
That's
okay.
our edamame.
I love edamame. Yeah.
Okay, and then you've got water chestnuts. We have a full skillet here.
Do I add this?
No,
Oh,
we'll
okay.
use that at the very end, and I'm just going to let that sizzle here and start cooking those vegetables.
Okay.
And we're going to make the sauce. I've got the garlic sauce in here, and I already put the honey in and a little bit of vegetable oil.
Oh, yeah,
Would
the
you
honey.
add the soy sauce? And Jared, if you want to add that,
Sure.
I can't leave you out. That is 2 teaspoons of ginger.
I get the pity ad over here.
Yes. Oh, and I see now that I haven't added the garlic. But that garlic,
Yeah.
we'll put it in here.
Okay.
And we should have put it in when we first did the chicken.
Oh, so it's
because
with
then
it.
it would
Okay.
have started cooking a little bit
makes sense.
better.
Better late
So
than never.
That's right. We want to add that flavor. And we had so many different vegetables there to add. So now we just want to mix that up. This is going to give us our sauce.
Yep.
And we're just going to pour that over it.
Oh, smell that. That is amazing.
And how easy. I mean, really, all we're going to do is cook this till the vegetables are tender, and it's done. After these vegetables cook and the sauce starts to bubble a little bit,
Yeah.
Raina, you want to add the cashews?
Yes.
If it's cashew chicken, we got to have those cashews, don't we?
Most definitely.
Add that, and then right before you serve it, we'll sprinkle on the green onions. There
Right
you
now?
go. Yeah, go ahead. That'd be fine. Oh, there you go. There we have it. A whole
gosh.
meal that's ready. And like I said, if you do the pre-prep ahead of time, you have a recipe that's easy for families to just put together
Yep.
and have for back to school. And I have our little teacher box here because I
I know, I love it.
just want to mention, if we have any family and consumer science teachers that are watching, the Kansas Soybean Commission has a special offer for free ingredients for the classroom. So call
Ooh.
Kansas,
perfect.
go to our website or call the Kansas Soybean Commission office for details. But we're all about helping teachers, helping parents, and helping kids get nutritious meals.
What is
Love
the
that.
website so that people know where to go and also to get the soy foods guide as well?
Go to kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll mail them all the recipes for August.
Perfect. Page 21 for the cashew chicken with edamame recipe. Stay with us. We'll be back right after this, and Raina's going to get her lunch packed.